Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're solving a common WhatsApp frustration when your photos and images stop showing up in your phone's gallery. Whether you're missing new images, can't find old ones, or media just isn't appearing where it should, I've got you covered with these practical solutions. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. This issue usually comes down to permission settings, storage configurations, or simple app glitches. First, let's check WhatsApp's media visibility settings. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings Chats, and make sure Media Visibility is turned on. This setting controls whether new media appears in your gallery or remains hidden within WhatsApp. If that's already enabled, let's verify storage permissions. Go to your phone settings, Apps, WhatsApp Permissions. Ensure Storage Permission is granted. On some Android versions, this might be called Files and Media. Now, let's check for the .nomdia file. Sometimes a hidden file can prevent gallery apps from scanning WhatsApp folders. Use a File Manager app to navigate to internal storage, WhatsApp Media, and look for any file named .nomdia. If you find it, delete it or rename it to .nomdia.bak. If you're still not seeing images, try restarting your phone. This simple step can resolve many temporary glitches that might be affecting media scanning and display. For more persistent issues, let's clear the cache of your gallery app. Go to Settings, Apps, Gallery, or Photos, Storage, Clear Cache. This forces the gallery to rescan all media files. If the problem continues, try using a different gallery app from the Play Store temporarily. This will help determine if the issue is with your default gallery app or with WhatsApp itself. As a last resort, you can back up your chats and reinstall WhatsApp. Before uninstalling, make sure to back up your chats to Google Drive. After reinstalling, your media should resync and appear in your gallery. I know how frustrating it is when your WhatsApp images don't appear in your gallery, especially when you're trying to share or find important memories. One of these solutions should restore your media visibility. For most users, checking media visibility settings or storage permissions does the trick. If this guide helped you get your WhatsApp images showing in your gallery again, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more messaging app troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.